Today I'm going to demonstrate how to draw Fibonacci extensions really quickly here. Okay, I have a couple different examples and how you would move them and when you would need to. If you're looking for intraday moves to measure other intraday moves by, you want to take an intraday measurement. So we're just going to take a measurement from this low to this high. Because you can see after that movement, stock stops moving. So what we're going to do next is project it off of our next low. So right there. Now this channel is going to be active until the 100 band is tagged. Then we pull down to make a low. So on that low, we will move the Fibonacci extension. Now you can see in here, it doesn't tag the upper 100 band except for here. You can see that it does. And then we push down to this low. So after that, we're going to activate this drawing and move this low to this low. So here we are at the new low, and you can see we pretty much tag the upper band right away and then come down to try and bottom out around the 282. So we're going to activate this drawing and pitch it off of this low. Now you can see we tag the upper band, even break it, and come down to try and find support around the 618 or the 50-day moving average. So we're going to activate this drawing again and move it off this low. Now you can see we make 100% of our move here, come down, and start to move up. So off of this lowest low, we'll just activate the drawing. And there you go. Now this channel will remain active until we get up here or until we make a new low. So let's look at another example, D-Dog. So here you can see we bottom out and then we have a nice upward spike. So this upward spike would be too short. Let's get a better look here. So this upward spike would be too short, but this one looks like a more decent move. So let's measure that and project it off of a low. There we go. Here we make the 100 almost right away, come down to bounce off the 618 and make the 100 again. Now if you wanted to be a stickler for rules, you'd move it off of this, and you can see we failed to make the 618 and then sell off to make a new bottom. So on that new bottom, you just activate this and move it to there. Now you can see we make the 1282 extension and come down to bounce off this line. So when you can see that's the lowest point, again you just activate that and move it up. Now here we very nearly make the 100, come down to the 618, and then we make the 100, almost the 282 here, and then make a new low. So off of this low, we activate this drawing, and you can see we make the 1282, come down to the 100, and you would activate this drawing and move it off of that low. Then we start to ramp it up, bounce off the 282, push up to the 1282, and come down to the 618. Then you'd move it off of there. I hope this helps with measuring and using and moving Fibonacci extensions to determine profit targets and potential areas of support. Be sure to get lots of practice, because it takes an experienced eye to just see what swings you think will be valid. And when you start to understand this, you can understand why stocks hit certain areas, roll over, and then why they bounce and where they're likely to bounce. So it could be very useful.